Welcome to our channel. Let's dive into how you can fix Amazon gift card issues quickly and easily. Welcome to our channel. If you have encountered problems with your Amazon gift card and don't know how to resolve them, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through each step from identifying the issue to successfully redeeming or recovering your gift card. First, understand the type of issue you are facing. Is your gift card not redeeming? Is the balance not showing? Or has your card been lost or stolen? Step 1. Check your gift card code carefully. Make sure you entered every character correctly. Sometimes a simple typo can cause the redemption process to fail. Step 2. Verify the expiration and activation status. Amazon gift cards typically do not expire, but double-check the terms that came with your card. Also ensure that the card was activated at purchase. If you bought it from a physical store. Step 3. Confirm your Amazon account status. Make sure your account is in good standing. You might face redemption issues if there are restrictions or holds on your account. Step 4. Clear your browser cache or try redeeming the code using the Amazon app. Sometimes technical glitches in the browser can cause problems, so switching devices or platforms can help. Step 5. If issues persist, contact Amazon customer service. Reach out directly through their official support channels. Provide them with your gift card details, order number, and any error messages you encountered. The support team can often resolve issues related to card activation or account linking. Step 6. If your card was lost or stolen, immediately report it to Amazon customer support. May put a hold on the card if possible, preventing unauthorized use. Remember, always purchase gift cards from authorized sellers to avoid fraudulent or invalid codes. By following these steps, you can quickly troubleshoot and fix most Amazon gift card issues without hassle. Finally, thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides and tips.